Assalamu alaikum, Mohammed Awais. How are you? Are you ready for this activity?
Yes.
Okay, start it now.
Awais is 3.5 years old at this point. I made these shapes puzzle with the help of popsicle sticks. He is more focused to learn. Hands-on learning always helps your child to get engaged in a new and creative way. I do a lot of hands-on learning activities with Mohammed Awais.
Very good. So, how many shapes do you have? Can you count them for me? Okay, count them. How many?
7.
Very good. So, tell me which color is square?
Brown.
Brown. This is brown. Very good. And which color is triangle?
This is triangle.
And color of triangle is
Green.
green. Very good. Which color is circle?
This is circle.
Very good. And color is
Pink.
pink. Very good. And which color is oval?
This is oval.
Very good. And color is
Blue.
blue. And which color is pentagon? Very good. And color is
Yellow.
yellow. Very good. And which color is hexagon?
This is hexagon.
Very good. And the color is hexagon color is
Black.
black. Very good. And which color is rectangle?
This is rectangle.
Very good. And the color is red. Very good. Do you know how many sides of triangle? How many sides?
3 sides.
3 sides. Very good. How many sides in circle?
No.
No sides. Very good. Do you know how many sides of pentagon?
Pentagon. 5.
How many?
5.
5 sides. Very good. Oval has no sides. Circle has no side. Oval and circle have no sides. Okay? Okay?